Model, 70-plate Fiat Ducato Boxer Relay 2.3 HDI low loader box van drives needs gearbox repair minor electrical issue Euro 6 Vat Inc. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 172,402. MOT, the 21st of September 2025. Engine, 2287 CCF1 AGL4113E6 DTEMP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Second gear does not exist. All of the other gears are fine, still starts and drives as it is, also has some kind of electrical issue. When you turn the ignition off, the engine keeps on running. You have to stall it to cut it out. Thinking face ignition lights go off as normal but just don't turn off. Will be a simple fix if you know what you're doing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition.